Hi guys, welcome back and thank you for joining me again. I have some more Zoobooks to share today. These come from, the first 6 are from 89 and then the last one is from 1986, and then we will have run through all of these. I'm going to try to be quick so I can make sure I stay in that 3 minutes. This one is about wolves. Beautiful wolfies. This one is Insects Volume 1. So we already saw some other insects from later, but I guess this was earlier edition for the same thing, because yep, a lot of these pictures look the same. That's interesting. Same way it did with the gorillas and the orangutans. Insects Volume 2. Hippos. Rattlesnakes. Bats. And elephants. We're going to end it off with the elephants. And that'll about do it for today. I want to thank you all so much for joining me again. And remember, always make time for yourselves because you matter too. Love you guys and see you next time.